What's up, YT? This is DJ Y and I'm back with breaking news. So President Donald Trump has pardoned the most famous gang leader, Larry Hoover. Guys, if you don't know, he has been in prison since 1973. So congratulations to Larry Hoover and his family. In today's episode, I want to show you some rappers and celeb reactions. Check this out on the screen. So first of all, I want to show you a reaction by legendary J Prince. Check this out on the screen. So guys, it was all. If you like how we, don't forget to subscribe till we get the notification bells and visit hiphoptv.com. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, God bless you, peace.
What up, it's Mr. X to the Z Exhibit YTB. Just keep it going.